Hi, welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm sick. I was having some trouble getting dressed and putting makeup on today, so I was like, what can I do that requires minimal effort but is still quality content? Well folks, she got her hands on some Ardene surprise bags. I got 4 in front of me, the usual. Let's dig right into these and see how bad they are this month. Bag number 1. Oh, I whipped it wide open. So the first thing we have in here is a little choker set, and I love me some chokers, so I'm actually pretty happy about this. Next up we have an iPhone case for the iPhone 6, 7. I don't know if this will fit my phone. I think I have a 5. I couldn't tell you, honestly, but this is cute. Look, it's a mermaid and it's got the floaty stuff in it. That's really cool. Next up, we've got a little bow, so that's cute. There's a lot of bows in these lately, I found. Lastly, we've got 2 pairs of socks, so that's also alright. We've got these little ankle socks, which I can always use because the gym, and they say cute AF and have a panda. They are cute AF. Oh my god. And the next pair of socks are boot socks. Oh, these are right up my alley. I love these kinds of socks with leggings. Oh my god, these are nice. Alright, so bag number uno is a fucking win. Cheers. Bag number 2. Feels like it's got similar shit in it. There are little best friend chokers. These are super adorable. I probably won't wear these, but those are really cute and very different from the other chokers that I just pulled out. And then, hey, we've got another iPhone case for 6, 7, or 8. This one is completely different. This one's got flecks of gold and some marbling. Super cute. I like it. And then we've got another cute little pair of ankle socks. Always needed. And not the same socks. Holy crap. Oh, and then we've got some knee highs, so probably not going to keep these. Everything else so far has been worth it. And the last thing we got in here, oh, is a little claw clip. That is adorable, because I love me some claw clips. That is adorable. Oh my god, it's like a dressy little claw clip that you can wear for fancy occasions. Next bag. You're just flying through these. Not much complaining to do yet. There's still 2 bags to open. I'm jumping the gun, maybe. Oh, did I just jinx myself? We've got another pair of white knee-high socks. Oh, but the ankle socks are cute. Look, they've got a little anchor on them. I can never get upset about socks. That's like an adulting thing. Oh, and we've got some more chokers, but again, they are very different from the first ones. They've got a little pearl on them instead of a little gem, and the lace one is thinner and a little different. Oh, cute. I don't know if I'll ever use these, but these would be an okay little stocking stuffer. They're a pair of headphones, so that's different. And then lastly, oh, those are nice. There's some little hair bobby pin things. These are pretty. These I could probably actually use with my hair the way it is. Normally I would say I'd give most of the hair stuff to the child, but she has literally 2 drawers full of hair things right now that she does not use, so she's kind of off the hair items for right now. Okay, I'm all dressed up now. Let's get into the last bag. Feels like there's some nice thick socks in here. This bag was double bagged. We got a bag inside a bag inside a bag. So in this bag, we've got a repeat of the bow from the first bag and some plain blue ankle socks. So those are alright. So, oh yes, this is what I was hoping was in there. We've got another pair of those boot socks, but these ones have a maroon. I don't know if you can tell, but I really like the whole maroon burgundy wine colored thing. These are perfect. I may be too happy about the socks. Next up, we've got, ooh, another set of friendship chokers. So not really up my alley, but definitely can find a home for these. Next, and what appears to be last thing in here, is another iPhone case. And this one says, yay! Which is exactly how I feel about these surprise bags. I feel like for once I didn't waste $10. So that was this month's surprise bag haul, and I gotta say, yay! Stuff I'll actually use. There's not a whole lot I'd really give to the munchkin out of this, but, you know, at least the stuff I did get that I don't really want is stuff that's easy enough to re-gift to someone else, or to just generally give to someone, find a new home for. I'm just so happy with these. On their own, my rating, oh my god, I feel awful. My rating for these bags would be a 3 potatoes out of 5, but in comparison, holding these against the last 2 videos I did with these, they're definitely a 5 out of 5 potatoes. Yeah. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I know there's a fair amount of you that really do enjoy these surprise bags, unbagging, even though they've been miserable every other time I've done them. But, I mean, a-okay job this month, Ardene. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here and have not done so. I've noticed a whole lot of you new, lovely, beautiful faces coming in, and I super appreciate it. If this is the first video you're watching, don't judge me on it. I'm sick and don't normally look this fabulous. See you in the next one.